Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss a very fantastic app. There is a confusion that how we can use the YouTube videos while using the WhatsApp. When you are using your WhatsApp, how you can use your YouTube video. So I will you today how to use. So you are showing this app. You will not get this app in the Play Store floating tube. Okay, so you will not get in the Play Store. I will give the link in description, so you should download by there. What is the description? I should tell you. Description, let it open. So guys, internet is very slow. Let me show you that option. What are the descriptions? Okay, so you have to go to the sign up. So guys, for English videos, if you want to get any English video or any educational video, so subscribe my this channel. And if you want to get the any technical video and review of anything, so you can subscribe my How to Learn. Okay, so must subscribe and comment me. So I was telling about the description. What are the description? How you can download this app? Don't need to worried. Okay, only you have to go to the title, then you will click the title, then easily you can use. My internet is not working fastly. So this is a title. Okay, from here you can download the video. Okay, let's come to the app. Which type of app is this? How we can use this? Okay, floating tube. So I click on floating tube. You can download. You will not get this app by the Play Store. Okay, remind this thing. So it's like also the YouTube same as it is. Home, trading, history, whatever else you want. Okay, so I have played this. I will play this Motu Patlu. After the loading, then I will skip this. Okay, then I will move anywhere. So I'll go to the WhatsApp, Facebook. Easily I can use this. If I will go to the WhatsApp, so I can use this, and as well as for Facebook I can use. So guys, you can video as well here. Okay, and you can do the chatting as well if you want to chat anything else, so easily you can chat here. So this is very fantastic to use. You watch the video, and so also you can do the chatting as well. Okay, so if I want to go to the Play Store and anywhere, so you can go easily. So this is very fantastic. If you want to message somebody else, so you can message as well. Okay guys, so by this app you can use. Okay, so do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.